All right, you guys, looking more at this Lennox furnace um, and doing more research, it sounds to me that the what's called the flame sensor needs cleaning. And make sure you turn off the system. You probably have a little light switch, looking switch on the on the side of your furnace. Make sure you turn it off. And it's all just simple tools to remove this hood here. Just a couple of small screws. And then for this particular one, I needed a flat bladed screwdriver to get in there. So let me see if I can move this out of the way. All right, hold on one second. Get a little better view going on here. And remind you, I am definitely no HVAC technician. I am just trying to fix something with my own meager knowledge, basically. All right, see this device right here? This gets carbon buildup. On these two tips. One is the pilot itself. I'm going to clean that just with a metal, small metal brush, like something like that right there. I know it's out of focus, but just get some kind of small metal brush, basically, or a Scotch-Brite pad, and just clean these tips, and then maybe a little bit of cleaning of the pilot itself right here. And from what I read online, that is a common issue of why the furnace will not completely ignite, even though the pilot is coming on. So we're going to try that real quick. All I'm doing is, taking a metal bristle brush and just gently, because, these pieces could be damaged. So I'm just gently cleaning everything relating to this pilot and sensor system. You'll see it looks, a little bit crusty. And you can use this or maybe a Scotch-Brite pad. And, I'm just cleaning it out, basically. Hopefully this will get her going, or it may need replacing what's called the flame sensor. Might have to be replaced altogether. I'm not sure yet, because I am going right off of YouTube research just to try this first before doing anything else. So anyway, it comes apart very easily. Basic tools. Let me zoom it back a little bit. Okay, if yours looks something like this, this is a Lennox whisper heat system. Yours might look like this. It is not difficult to disassemble to this stage. Just a couple of screws. No big deal at all. So anyway, we're just going to try and clean that out. And you may want to get some compressed air and just clean out this whole area, because there are various burners back in there that they get crusty over time. Let's get a better view. There are there are burners that go way back in the back there, and I'm sure they could use a little cleaning, maybe with an extended grill brush or any kind of long brush that you can reach up in there. Just try to clean everything off the best you can, and otherwise this pilot and flame sensor might need replacing right here. And it doesn't look to be that difficult. There's only one wire going to each of these things. Not a big deal, So if you're into do-it-yourself repairs and things, instead of trying to call a professional, the stuff gets expensive, So we're going to try that and see if she'll ignite on a regular basis now. And so we'll post another video if we are successful. Check out other videos. We got all kinds of stuff going on at all times, so we'll see y'all later.